Yes. So I'm very happy and very proud kasi we have the Tarlac ICT High School. We were able to establish it 3 years ago. It's actually the first in the region. And napakaganda po nito, Sir Dexter, kasi high school pa lang sila, natututo na sila ng mga AI, robotics, preparing them for the digital economy, for the global world talaga. No? So it is one testament na if an LGU invests in education, give them the right facility, bigyan mo sila ng kumpletong computer, ng napakagandang pasilidad, talagang mamamaximize yung learning experience nila at talagang lahat sila napakaganda ng performance sila. Imagine, during our science fair, high school pa lang sila pero nakakapag-develop na sila ng mga app, marunong na sila mag-coding. And kaya very proud po ako dito sa aming Tarlac ICT High School. They have a different curriculum than other high school. And talagang kinuha ko yung mga tamang tao to craft yung curriculum na ito. That's why pinayagan naman ni DepEd. Kaya meron po silang different learning experience than other high school.